Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm showing you how to do these summertime color blocking nails with shades from D&D's Free Spirit collection. So this collection has 36 amazing shades for summer that range from pastels to neons, and they come in both gel and lacquer. For the design, I'm using 9 different shades, and they are Road Trippin', Topless Tropics, Lavender Haze, Sunbeam, Citrus Affairs, Secret Paradise, Mint to Be, Periwinkle, and Kiwi Kisses. I'll also be using D&D's Nail Art Liner Brush number 11. I already applied my base coat, so I'm going to use Road Trippin' for the base color, then Fully Cure. Now with the liner brush and Sunbeam, draw a diagonal line on the side of the nail and then fill it in. I also do a quick flash cure between each color to keep everything in place. Now I'm using Secret Paradise to draw an angle, and we'll fill that in too. With Topless Tropics, I'm outlining and filling in another angle between the two other colors, making sure that it's a little diagonal so it lines up with the turquoise shade. Now I'm just mixing and matching colors on all my other nails, which gives such a fun summer vibe. Also, if you'd like 30% off your entire order at D&D Gel, you can use code HannahRocksIt. Finally, I'm applying a top coat and doing my last cure. And here is the final product. I also swatched 5 shades out of the collection, starting with Topless Tropics. This is a cool toned, super bright hot pink. Next is Untamed, which is an insanely bright reddish coral orange shade. This is Sun Rebels, which is a rich sunflower yellow. This is not really a neon, but still a vibrant shade. Here is Quantum Leap. This is a warm, bright green polish. Lastly, we have Barefoot Sea, which is a lovely pastel seafoam blue. And here are all 5 as a Skittle manicure, and also here are some shots of all shades on the swatch board. Be sure to let me know if you have any favorites. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing some fun nail art in D&D's Free Spirit collection. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later!